Have you noticed that your favorite epoxy brand just isn't the same anymore? It's always deeply discounted, it's not pouring quite crystal clear, and now it's yellowing quicker, it's curing weird, and it's just not giving you that exact same finish that you're expecting. Unfortunately, that's what happens when these brands sell out to large investment groups or conglomerates. Suddenly, the decision makers are no longer craftsmen. Corners are being cut, and offering quality epoxy is just forgotten. Premium ingredients are being swapped out for cheaper alternatives, quality control is reduced, and pumping out as much epoxy at a cheap cost is their new business model. Every kit of epoxy we sell is reflective of our American quality, our name, our pride, and our promise to builders, artists, and makers who care about doing it right. When you're creating something that should live for generations, something beautiful, strong, and built to last, are you choosing cost over quality? Here at WiseBond Epoxy, we don't answer to big corporations. We answer to you, the makers who expect excellence, not excuses. Get you some!